Hi, I'm David. Today I will show you how to freeze pens in Excel. So when I go down, you will see the second row was freeze. When I go right, yeah, the second column was freeze too. So I can check anyone. So with the freeze, I know the title, know the index. So how do I freeze these pens? Like here, if we want to freeze second load, you need to select third load, not this one, not this one, not this. It's just to select, move your mouse to the 3, then click here. The whole row was select, then go to the view and freeze pens. So select one, select first one, freeze pens. So we can see, yeah, it's freeze those, but when I go right, no, there is no freeze. The second column was not freeze. And how to unfreeze? Will freeze pens, yeah, the freeze pens change to unfreeze pens means there's a freeze pens in Excel now. So I click unfreeze pens, it's just set free. Okay, how to freeze second columns? If you need to freeze second columns, you need to third. If you want to freeze third, you need to select column D. So the right column is the select your, this is the key. Okay, so I want to freeze column B, so I need to select column C. So view, freeze pens and freeze pens. Now you see when I go to right, the second column was freeze. So how to freeze with the second one and second column and the second row? How do I do this for both? In this video, so you need to find column B and second row. Here you can see there's 4 cells. You need to select the cells, these 4 cells, right up, right down cells. So select here and freeze pens and freeze. So you can see it's so easy, right? So I can see someone want to freeze cells. It's hard for Excel, but I can do it. Let's try to some methods. If I want to freeze this one, how to do this? So in the left file, then to options. In the options, you need to the custom ribbon. Select here and all commands. In all commands, we need to please wait. We need to go down and select one command means camera. Okay, we choose camera and you can choose views, macros or soft or Windows, then 8. Okay, I have inserted this method in the I think okay I think I have missed in customers, so you can move here or anywhere you want. So select here insert and there will be a camera. So click here and you with your mouse, so it's like a picture, so you can freeze anywhere you want. So when I change, now the picture is changed too. It's so easy. It's so easy, so you can freeze cells like this. Actually, I don't know is there anything good for freeze cells. Thank you for your video. If you have any questions, please let me know.